is that? Your hair was waving earlier, now you're stiffy pants. Going to work on the van. Aulora. Yee yee. Yep. There you go. Don't let the screw fall. Here. I'll catch it. Hi. Happy New Year. They're having fun. Okay. Ooh, there we go. It helps regulate the emissions. Okay, here. Rip this out. No, don't be scared. Just grab it and rip it out. Push up. Harder, harder. Like this. And then you put it aside. Okay, take out the filter. We do these clips. All right. And what we're getting to is this sensor right here. See that? And change the filter. Oh, yeah, she dirty. She dirty girl. See?
Oh, I don't really yet.
See, the air goes in that thing, then down in here, and then into this box, then into the engine, and that's how she breathes. We're just gonna replace it with the filter because it's been years, right? So why not? Why not add a new one? Didn't come with screws.
So I do it this way?
Mm-hmm. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. So
or
this
it's
way.
angled the other way. I can't.
Yeah,
tell.
that way.
Right and left.
There you go. Very good. Straight up and down. It's at an angle, see? Just stay at that angle. There you go. Do this one? You did that one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll just double check, not saying your work is bad. But remember, these engines vibrate.
Oh,
And they get hot, so the screw can kind of go backwards on you. Okay. There, see? And then that holds it from the back. Clip. Here. Okay, so this wiring harness, there's a clip right here. So we'll get that in there, hold it in place as we're driving. Then, put that on there good. Now if this comes off, the van stops.
Oh, so is that what
Stops
happened?
running. Yeah, that's what happened. Okay, over here. Ready?
Only two?
And we'll just clean up the area. This is kind of like our nose and our mouth, right? So then this is like our Oh, it's dirty in there. Like our throat. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And this is where the air, the air comes in from two places. And down in the wheel well.
Gosh, you gotta wash your hands.
Yeah, I know. Put that on there. And then this clip here goes right here. All right, now the test.
This one?
When it does the second beep, then turn it on. This one. Okay. Okay, go. Go. Working. That's a good sign. Okay, testing the engine. Whoa! She's a humdinger. She a humdinger?
What is that?
I don't know.
25. Why is
I
that
am.
upside
Look,
down?
I'm going 25. It just sounds like I'm going fast. Ready?
That's fast.
That was fast. Does it sound good?
Yeah.
Sweet. Thanks for helping me. Okay, ready? We're going to do it again. Ready?
The part where it plugs in, how does it plug out all of a sudden?
How does it plug out?
Yeah,
What do you mean?
like that thing where it goes in and then it goes. Like, how does it come apart where it stops the car?
Oh, that's the wiring harness. That's the electricity that goes to that little sensor that tells you what your oxygen. Am I putting you to bed?
No.
Is that boring?
No.
Is that boring?
No.
The air that goes in that thing I told you is like our mouth, right?
Mhm.
And breathing. Well, that tells the computer in the engine, and if that wire to that little sensor comes off that thing I clipped in, then the engine will just stop. Yeah. You know, the thingamajigger connected to the whatchamacallit, to the Yahoo.
What are you saying?
Do you know what I mean though now?
No.
Ready? Oh yeah, she still got some
Have you ever did a race or something?
race a few times in Vegas, yeah. And there's some people.
Did you
Go
ever
downtown.
see Bobby the Bonnie?
I met him once. I met Bobby LeBonnie in Vegas actually. I got his autograph too. Ah, what are you doing, lady? You shot. Wow, it's just so beautiful up here, isn't it?